Welcome. If you've ever been overwhelmed by a long list of channels in your Discord server, especially those you can't even access, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to quickly hide unavailable channels in a Discord server with the latest, updated method. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. You can do this on your phone or your computer, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look through your list of servers on the left side of your screen. Find the server where you want to tidy up your channel list and tap on it. Now that you're inside the server, look up at the very top of your screen. You'll see the server's name displayed there. Tap on the server's name to open the server settings menu. This menu gives you a bunch of options to customize your Discord experience. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Show All Channels. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which means you see every channel in the server, even the ones you don't have permission to view. This can make your channel list look cluttered and confusing. To clean things up, simply toggle off the Show All Channels option. Once you do this, Discord will instantly hide any channels you don't have access to. Your channel list will now only show the channels you can actually join and participate in, making everything much more organized and easier to navigate. And that's it. With just a few quick taps, you've hidden all the unavailable channels in your Discord server. No more scrolling through endless channels you can't use. Your Discord experience is now cleaner and more streamlined. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized server.